Hello, I'm Dario and I'll be showing you the Toyota Yaris GR Sport. The vehicle is brand new and it's covered under manufacturer warranty. We also applied a triple layer of Gardex nano coat over the paint to make sure no trees-up, acidity or rain will affect it for time to come. This specific exemplar is painted in pearl white and is fitted with the circuit pack, which grants, among other things, a different design on the wheels, limited slip differential torsion both front and rear, and also bigger brakes for both the front and the rear. Other equipment that comes standard with this vehicle are the full LED lights, which also includes the DRL, the fog lights, the power fold mirrors. As I mentioned before, the exclusive design of the rims, it's a 10-spoke and is also fitted onto Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires, which are the more sportier and grippier version. You can see the GR emblem over the wheel arch, the matte finish over the carbon fiber roof, going over the rear, you can notice the sport exhaust over the diffuser. The rear bumper is also fitted with a rear view camera. And the fuel port is located on the curb side. Let's take a look at the interior of the vehicle. The vehicle is equipped with easy access, so as long as you have the key within yourself, even if the car is locked, you just approach the door handle and it will automatically unlock the vehicle for you. As you may notice, the door has a pillarless design and no frame for the side window. This vehicle is in a 4-seat configuration, and as you can notice, it's fitted with racing bucket seats in magnificent leather and Alcantara with red contrast stitching and inserts. You also have some more Alcantara over the door cards, which is an exclusive of the circuit pack, which tries to make the vehicle as light as possible and makes it more of a truck weapon. Once you take possession of the driver's seat, you have an analog dashboard with a digital trip computer with a color screen. You can obviously customize most of the feature from the multiple commands of the steering wheel. Over to the left, you have the automatic headlight stalk. Over the spoke, you got the infotainment controls and also the trip computer commands. While over to the right spoke, you have the cruise control, lane assist, and speed limiter, plus some more infotainment controls, and also the forward collision assist. The right stalk is for the wipers, which are also automatic. And going a bit further down the right, you can adjust the height of the beam through the dial, and you can also enable the automatic high beam from the Matrix LED daytime running lights. Over the armrest, you got the controls for the power windows and power mirrors. And then over the infotainment unit, it's a Toyota Connect over an 8 inches wide screen. It's compatible with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay both through Bluetooth and USB cable, and it's also compatible with Miracast, which means it's also compatible with older phones. Obviously, it's fitted with the DAB radio as well. Just underneath, you got the climate control, which is a dual zone automatic. And the drive mode selector is just fitted underneath. For this dial, you can move it from normal to sport, which will also change the theme of the main screen, to the even more extreme truck mode, which is exclusive of the truck pack. Another feature of the vehicle in the circuit and track pack is the extremely short throw for all the gears and the smoother transition handbrake. Just over here you can find the controls for the traction and auto start and stop, and the WRC plaque is fitted just behind it. Another neat feature of this vehicle is the double dashcam. It's a full HD dashcam that works with a micro SD card. You have one camera at the front and one camera over the rear. And these are some of the features and benefits of the Toyota Yaris GR Sport Track Pack. For any inquiries, feel free to call us.